This is a LoRa-based emergency alert system, a low-cost safety device designed for elderly care and patient emergencies. It works without Wi-Fi or mobile network, using long-range LoRa communication between a patient or elderly unit and a caretaker unit. Each unit is built around a microcontroller with a LoRa transceiver module, a 16:2 LCD display for status updates, and a rechargeable battery, making the device fully portable and independent of home Wi-Fi. This is the patient side unit, the transmitter. Right now it's on standby, and the display confirms LoRa TX ready. This unit would typically be kept near the patient's bed or worn as a compact wearable. This second unit is the receiver, kept with a family member or caretaker in another room, or even outside the house, since LoRa can transmit over long distances with very low power. In an emergency, the patient simply long press this single button. No phone, no app, no complicated steps needed. Within milliseconds, the caretaker unit receives the signal over LoRa. The display flashes "Help Emergency" while the buzzer sounds and the red LED blinks, making sure the alert is impossible to miss, even from another room. On receiver side, when the caretaker pressed the feedback button, immediately it sent "Help is coming" message to the patient. This let the patient know caretaker responded. Now let's check the working once again. Thank you for watching. For inquiries or to order this project, contact us. To explore more projects, visit our website, zeboticprojects.in. We provide innovative and customizable engineering projects for B.Tech, M.Tech and Diploma students from EEE, ECE, CSE and mechanical branches.